Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, if you think of Krishna, that is the process, Krishna consciousness, then Maya Saktamana Prata Jung Jinjan Madas. If you practice this yoga system, Krishna consciousness, how? Madasraya. Madasraya means taking shelter of somebody who is in touch with me. Madasraya. Madasraya means directly in touch with him. Directly you are in touch with him as soon as you think of him, his form. But unless you take shelter of a spiritual master who knows about him, you cannot concentrate for a long time. It may be temporary. Therefore, you have to hear from a person who knows about Krishna, then your concentration of mind on Krishna will continue. You have to act according to his direction. Everything, your life should be molded in such a way under the direction of the spiritual master. Then you can continue this yoga system perfectly. What is that yoga system? That yoga system explained in the Bhagavad Gita, in the 6th chapter, last verse, Yoginamapi sarvisam madgata antaratmana. One who is always thinking of me. Madgata. He is first class. In many places it is stated, Premanjana Churita, how you can think of Krishna unless you develop love for Krishna. Just like Radharani. Radharani, she has come. She was married and household life, but she has come to Krishna to worship. Similarly, we have to place Krishna always in our mind, think of him. Then this very process, Maya Sattamana Prata, Yugam Janjan Madasraya, under the protection of myself or my representative, when you understand Samagram perfectly well, then your life is successful. Asamsam, without any doubt. Not that because your spiritual master says that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. No. If you have got any doubt, just question. Just try to understand. It is a fact that He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, undoubted. But if you have got some doubt, you can clear it. Asamsa. In this way, if you practice this yoga system, Krishna consciousness, the topmost of all the yoga system, the asangsang samagram mang jathagashasi, then you will understand Krishna as the Supreme Personality Godhead perfectly well, without any doubt. And your life will be successful. Thank you. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,